How to transfer in QubitsCube. You first have to log in. Click your username to see your dashboard. In the dashboard, you'll see where it is reading transfer. Click on that transfer button and the transfer page will open. When the transfer page opens, you input the right amount you want to transfer. Also provide the user ID, UID of the person you are transferring to. Make sure the UID is correct. Double check, because at the moment there's no way you'll be able to verify that it's the right person you're sending. So it's you that will be very careful, meticulous enough to confirm the amount, the ID number. Provide it there, fill other details, and you'll be able to send. As you submit, the money will be transferred automatically at no fee to the person. Note that you cannot be able to transfer to anybody that is outside your link. In other words, it's only upwards or downwards you could transfer. You could not transfer to somebody sideways, somebody who is maybe recruited by the person who recruit you. Him or people down his ladder, you might not be able to transfer to them. It's only the people that are beneath you or the people that are above you at the moment. And before you can transfer, you have to make sure your account is active. In other words, you must have recharged your account at least once before your account will be active and that you will be able to transfer.